Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You need your Apple ID credentials and a reachable two-factor device. Once ready, open Settings and tap your name to verify the signed-in account. Make sure date and time are set to automatic, because mismatched time can block authentication. Next, go to App Store and attempt to sign in. Note the exact disabled message wording. If you see a temporary lock or disabled notice, don't panic. Capture a screenshot and move to Account Recovery immediately. Start at I forget. Apple. Calm and enter your Apple ID. This initiates the recovery flow that can reset passwords or remove locks. Follow prompts to receive a verification code on a trusted device or request account recovery if you can't get a code. This can take hours to days depending on data checks. While waiting, check mail for Apple messages and keep your trusted device online. Once you get access, immediately change the password and review recent devices and app purchases for suspicious activity. After password reset and verification, open App Store and sign in using the new credentials. Make sure purchases and subscriptions appear normally. If Apple asked for identity documents, upload a clear photo of your ID and any requested verification details, then monitor the support case for updates. If the recovery stalls or the account remains disabled, contact Apple support directly, provide the case ID and screenshots, and request escalation. This single escalation path is the only reliable way to.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.